For small business owners, freelancers, and independent contractors, managing finances can often feel like a juggling act. From tracking expenses to understanding cash flow, every aspect of accounting needs careful attention. Among the most crucial elements of this financial management is invoicing, the process of billing clients for services rendered or products sold. This naturally leads many to ask, does FreshBooks have invoices? As an accounting software expert, I can confidently tell you that the answer is a resounding yes. In fact, invoicing is one of FreshBooks' core strengths and a primary reason why it's so popular among its target audience. FreshBooks is designed specifically to simplify the billing process, making it easy for users to create, send, and manage professional invoices, ultimately helping them get paid faster. Think of an invoice as the formal request for payment that your business sends to a client. It's not just a piece of paper. It's a critical document that outlines the goods or services provided, the agreed-upon price, payment terms, and the total amount due. A well-crafted and easily trackable invoice is fundamental for maintaining healthy cash flow and accurate financial records. FreshBooks excels in this area by providing an intuitive and user-friendly platform for all your invoicing needs. Here's a breakdown of how FreshBooks handles invoices and why it's such an effective tool. 1. Professional and customizable invoice creation. FreshBooks allows you to create professional-looking invoices in minutes. You don't need to be a design expert or an accountant to make your invoices polished and effective. The software offers various customizable templates that you can brand with your company's logo, choose your preferred colors, and even personalize your thank you messages. This ensures that your invoices not only convey essential financial information but also reinforce your professional image. 2. Easy itemization and time tracking integration. One of the most powerful features of FreshBooks invoicing is its seamless integration with time tracking and expense management. If you bill clients by the hour, you can easily track your time directly within FreshBooks and then, with a few clicks, add those billable hours directly to an invoice. Similarly, any expenses incurred on behalf of a client can be linked to a project and automatically included in their invoice. This eliminates manual data entry, reduces the risk of errors, and ensures that you bill for every minute of your effort and every penny spent. 3. Automated invoicing and recurring billing. For businesses with ongoing services or subscription-based models, FreshBooks offers robust automation features. You can set up recurring invoices to be generated and sent automatically at predefined intervals, e.g., weekly, monthly, quarterly. This is a game changer for managing consistent revenue streams, saving significant time, and ensuring that your clients are billed promptly without manual intervention. You can also automate payment reminders, gently nudging clients about upcoming or overdue payments, which further accelerates your cash flow. 4. Multiple payment options for faster payments. Getting paid is the ultimate goal of invoicing, and FreshBooks makes it incredibly convenient for your clients. It integrates with various online payment gateways, allowing your clients to pay directly from the invoice using credit cards, bank transfers, or other popular methods. Research shows that offering online payment options can significantly speed up payment times, and FreshBooks actively facilitates this by streamlining the payment collection process. You can even request deposits upfront on your invoices, providing peace of mind and securing initial funds for projects. 5. Invoice tracking and status updates. Gone are the days of wondering if a client has received or viewed your invoice. FreshBooks provides real-time updates on the status of your invoices. You can see when an invoice has been sent, viewed, and paid. This transparency is invaluable for follow-up and for managing your accounts receivable effectively. It gives you a clear picture of what money is owed and when to expect it. 6. Streamlined workflow and reporting. Beyond just creating invoices, FreshBooks integrates invoicing into a broader accounting workflow. When an invoice is paid, the transaction is automatically recorded, updating your financial reports. This seamless flow of information ensures that your profit and loss statements, expense reports, and tax summaries are always accurate and up-to-date. This makes tax season less stressful and provides clear insights into your business's financial health. 7. Mobile accessibility. In today's fast-paced world, being able to manage your business on the go is essential. FreshBooks offers robust mobile applications for both iOS and Android, allowing you to create and send invoices, track time, and manage expenses directly from your smartphone or tablet. This flexibility means you're never tied to your desk and can keep your billing processes moving forward from anywhere. FreshBooks is not just an accounting software. It's a comprehensive solution for simplifying the financial aspects of running a business, with invoicing at its very heart. Its features, from customizable templates and automated billing to integrated payment options and real-time tracking, are all designed to empower small business owners and freelancers to manage their billing efficiently and get paid faster. For anyone looking to streamline their accounting processes and ensure a healthy cash flow, FreshBooks' robust invoicing capabilities make it an incredibly valuable tool.